you notice that your MX6 is not moving in your pool or not turning, first thing to check is the turbine to make sure nothing's stuck in there. In this series of videos, I'm going to go ahead and show you different parts of the cleaner that you can change to get it moving again. So you want to go ahead and open it up and make sure nothing is jammed inside the turbine. Simply press down on this yellow tab here and then pull up. And just inspect the turbine, make sure nothing is stuck in here. And since the MX6 is a suction side cleaner, you want to make sure that your filter is clean. This will affect the movement of the cleaner. You also want to make sure that the pump basket is free of debris and that the pump is working properly. So before you start changing parts, check out the equipment, the pump, and the filter to make sure that they're clean. So after you check to make sure the filter is clean and the pump basket isn't clogged with debris, the next thing you want to do is check the tracks on the cleaner. This is usually the first part that wears off. So these tracks have teeth on them. These will wear out over time. Simply replacing this usually will get the cleaner moving in a lot of cases. So these simply slide right off. You can see the teeth right there inside there. And you can see the bottom of this track is also pretty worn out. And these tracks only come in single packs. So go ahead and order 2 of them to replace both at the same time. And you can see the new one has a lot more tread on the bottom. Also the teeth are more defined, so it's going to catch on here a lot easier. So I'm going to slide it in. And you just pull it over this part here. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. So after you change the tracks on the cleaner, go ahead and put it in the pool, see if it moves okay. If the cleaner starts moving again, you know that was the problem. So that's how you change the tracks in the MX6. It's very simple. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of Swimming Pool Tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.